Trouble again. Teach them, comfy, teach them. As a student, trouble again. Teach them, him I go teach them. Little student, I teach them a rule and the world fi know. Everywhere, everywhere he go. Entertainment, he got the flow. Behind the history, behind the scene. Trouble again. Teach them, comfy, teach them. Like a student. Trouble again.
I am here vibing with one of the quiet giants in Jamaica's entertainment industry. His parents named him Dennis Anthony Thomas, but we know him as
King Kong, you know?
Father Kong.
Blessed love.
All is well, sir.
Yeah, man.
Man, out and clean like a whistle, brother.
All right.
All is well, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Give
man.
thanks.
It's a joy, brother.
Yeah, man.
It's a joy.
Yes,
It's a joy.
yeah. Call Mr. Martin. Teach them doing something. Open your ears and listen. And these words, don't let it rotten. Whoa, call Mr. Martin. Teach them a teach something. The world wide them a listen. Open your ears, not like a coffin. We know this is King Kong and we say, open your ears, don't make it rotten. I teach them. Yeah, man, open your ears and listen. For the youth them and for the children, even to the old and grand them. Teach them. To the prudent and wise then. Teach them. Keep teaching them. Teach them.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father Kong.
Yeah, man.
So all is well.
Yeah, man.
Talk to us about early life, place of birth.
Place of birth. Rose Lane.
Rose Lane.
Yeah.
Downtown side.
Yeah, man. About 85 and a half or 83 and a half. Our gate did the right behind Jubilee where the people have baby. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So,
You never have to go far.
no. Yeah.
So you were born in Rose Lane.
Yes.
How many brothers and sisters?
Well, the old man, my father, he used to work them time there with the people in were spray mosquitoes.
Yes. Okay.
KSS, yeah, where them name.
Oh.
So I used to go country all about, go spray. Sometimes I'll 3 weeks him there, different parish.
Yeah.
So I'm a whole heap of youth otherwise.
Spray all about.
Yeah.
Yes, they get all about youth out there.
So on film side, me have 13 brother and sister.
Yeah?
And on my mother side, with me, six boys.
So 21 overall then, man.
Roughly, yeah.
So your father have 14, one per parish. I mean, as I say, I just drove
I don't know, maybe at that thing that I'll go on with it.
Yeah, man, but so how many you actually live in the home that you grew up in though?
Well, alright. In the early days when we were there at Rose Lane, me was the last one.
Oh.
So all of my 5 brothers them was big.
Okay.
One of them I never know. Him live at St. Thomas, him was Indian.
Okay.
So him only come sometime and gone back with him family. So it was me as a little one. So you know me do all of the washing up plate and them things
like
there.
chores.
And clean house. Cause when my big brother Peter, him get the money for clean the house, cause them time we live good. I want to tell you things that really. Because we have TV, we have black
Things
and white TV.
then,
Yeah, we have TV, we have fridge.
Yeah.
We have a gramophone where you spin.
And play the record.
Yeah, so in them early days there. And then my father and my mother break up and then him take me and me gonna live with him. So film life was rough.
Yeah.
Because he used to push cart and sell
After
buckle.
you break up with mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So as a man we do everything. So I push
Hustler.
cart, sell buckle, anything we are going, boom bam. So, you know, after we moved there, so we live a Linford Avenue, this is half. No, we moved there, so we live a Bakawal, Akiwak, yeah, down at one place there one
Near
time.
Tivoli side, sir?
Yeah, because I used to go to Mr. Arnold school, basic school.
Arnold, yeah.
Yeah. So them time them I really little toddler youth. Maybe them time them about 5 or 6 still, you know. And then we move from there so and we live at Bundy Lane.
Yes.
that are on Old Hope
Off
Road.
Old Hope Road.
Yeah. And then we there Bundy Lane, and then him there with the next lady named Miss Merkel. But me have two brothers now with him.
Okay.
With that lady there, right? Yeah, me never remember about them
So-
too. Yeah, so them, yeah,
There are
them,
two over there.
yeah, two
Okay.
brothers. So Aston and Bobby. So
Yeah.
the three we grow together.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So Aston and Bobby now with their bundling, and you know, I go on good because Miss Merkel is a nice lady. So, and then him and Miss Merkel break up. And, you know, and then it was sad because,
When I
you
like
know,
Miss America.
yeah, come here youth and I'm a two brother them.
Oh.
And then now she take her two
so you have to
sons.
move with daddy now.
Yeah, cause him not left me. And she take him now, and then there are two, you know, and them they gone to Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, and things. So I just me and him. And then yeah, we go live Linford Avenue after this. So I'm start go Providence. That are the first one with the church there, right at Matilda's corner.
Oh, okay, yes.
Yeah. And then after they moved to around a Barbican Road, around side of TB Hospital. So then, yeah, them time there as a youth, and then, you know, from there, so we move from there, so and then go live at Waterhouse.
Okay, yeah.
And then from Waterhouse, we move and go back up where him live, up where him born, up in St. Andrew.
Oh.
So I kind of grew up St. Andrew, but true now, I know the whole of town. So me there town most of the time, I'm up there in town, and yeah.
Other than Providence, where else you attended school?
Well, I want to tell you, say, after Mr. Arnold Basic School, it was just Providence. And after Providence, me attend a Jamal. It's a story that, but
Yeah.
and then yeah, me attend school a foreign. After that, me there prison one at a time.
Yeah, we'll get to all of that
yeah.
part of the story as to go along, man.
Yeah.
Your siblings, where you meet all your siblings, them? You know them? You ever see all of them?
No, I want to tell you, you mean like all of my
Your
brother
brother
them.
and sister, them, right?
The other day, I meet one of them online, actually. That Aston.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you see quite a few of them, though. I know quite a
The
few
one
of
them
them.
when I grow with my mother,
Oh, okay.
me and them know each other up and down. But yeah, the other rest them. When my old man did that drop out, he give me a list. Some no, I'm not joke.
No, but I mean, laugh,
You know? But them time in my mind so up and down.
Okay.
Yeah, so me didn't value that penny. You know, and then when him dead now, I can't find back the paper.
Oh.
That's so now me I say, whole of
Sorry to hear that.
Manchester, you know, boom, bam, boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, man, that's what I say. So you made mention of something when I go back. You said that when mommy and daddy were still together, you guys were living fairly well and you had a gramophone. So from early, you probably listened to some music.
Yeah, man, we have Jim Reeves, Tom Jones, Percy Sledge, some old heap of name I can't remember, but when me hear the music, them know.
You remember?
Yeah.
So when did you realize you have a liking for the music or you have a feel for the music?
From them time maybe me about 5 or 4. Me used to dance, because them time they a different mentality from now. Through the whole of way a boy, we do the whole of we do the housework. We have them time my mother was the mother way, and she sell in front of Madden them time. Peanut and Star. Them used to call her Star.
It was an Igla,
Yeah.
technically.
Yeah. And my auntie, she was the secretary or the cashier in a Madden at the time.
Okay.
Miss Rose, you know. So yeah, so them days music, and we used to sing and you know dance, run, joke, boom boom. Sometimes the whole of we in our mother clothes, you know, peer boy,
Yes.
we are run joke in the house and dance and have the fork for Mike and Ray. Yeah, man.
So it was a good vibes growing up with your siblings, with your brothers.
Yeah,
and
man.
them.
Yeah.
So now, when did you really and truly, yes, you have a feel for the music from early, but when you really start scratching, you say, yo, that's something in me, and I want to start learning to get it out.
When me I go Providence. When me I go
School.
Providence, yeah, when me I go Providence, we used to joke around in a yard, like we used to make microphone, tight and pan, but you know, and from as long as you can go, from me talk, you hear what me say. You know, and I just by the wave carry through the wire, you know. So we used to do all them things, yeah. And we used to make film, because a place used to there, where we used to there with them throw it all for film. So we used to get the roll them and put them on a cotton reel thing and get enough dead battery and bulb and run wire and shine the light behind it. So even though it now move like the movie, but we used to see the picture of them, and if
Mad.
you move it, you know, so at night time we used to have our own.
But I've been on the cinema, man.
So at school now, me used to give the in charge of all class for the program for the last year.
Okay.
So the teacher would come to my class and come to Miss Burke or, you know, whichever school mood are in and say, this year, what she gonna do? And she may say, well, you know, we are gonna do dancing like, cause them days you used to have enough tune out where even S90 Skank, that was a little later, but enough dancing. So you'd have make play, acting, whatever for last day.
Like a little production.
Yeah,
thing.
so the teacher them she say me was dance, but me have the ability for.
What you mean with that?
No, well them said dance as in.
Why, you weren't reading well or what?
Yeah, well, me couldn't read.
So you weren't one of the strong students academically? Or when they come on to...
but acting or play, write drama and them thing them. So them use me for that every last year.
Okay.
We don't give idea. Like the teacher don't say, what you think we could do this year for our last year? And you have girls side and you have boys side. So me wouldn't come, them wouldn't ask me, and my things them always clock. So the teacher always say, all right, you make the play for this, or you make the, you know?
Nice.
So me in charge of that, boom. So, and choir morning times, the Lord's my shepherd, you know? Boom, bam, boom. So them always put me up front for them things.
My thing. I read somewhere where it said that you used to go to Campion and KC to watch fire rehearsal.
Yeah. When I come from school, we used to go to Campion College because it's the side of Deep Dean College.
Right.
And when you walk down Hopefield Avenue, my road, Linford Avenue, after that. So we used to walk through Deep Dean College, this girls' school, come over Campion, and you used to have some big guys where them are sing. Yeah, and them are sing live. So every evening now me get beaten. You know?
Yeah, tune in.
My daddy come home late. Pay beat. Yeah.
So that was part of the drive to the music where you wanted to take it on. And who used to beat the daddy?
Yeah, man, my father beat me for everything.
Yeah? So daddy never become a pastor after a while?
Yeah, man, one at a time, you know. Sorry about ding dong boom. Yeah, one at a time.
Yeah, man, pause and
in our late days.
Being at Campion, looking at the kids playing, kind of give you a vibe. So you like that something else?
Yeah, man. Me done did convert my mind, because Dennis Brown, Dennis Al Capone, Dennis Wax, all them artists that was early days when, and through my name Dennis. So,
right.
Yeah.
So you were about how old at the time now? About what?
Maybe about... Oh, when me I go Providence?
No, yeah, when you have view walk one a Campion and then
something. Oh, them time them me about 9 or 10.
Yeah. So now, you started what? Going to the dance or you just listen to some music at
No,
home?
well, after them time they right, you know, me never make it for common entrance, so them give me ear over. Because the teacher them love me and things.
Oh, okay.
So, me never make it. So, I leave school and then put me in a Jamal program because my father had to work with Michael Manley at the time.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, through links, then put me in a, so me I teach the whole people them. And then one day some people come there and say, you know, me too young, you know, so them fling me out. And we move at Waterhouse and you know what I say? So then Waterhouse, you know the thing changed more upon road and you know. Then we move and go live up in the hill there and
That's up in St. Andrew there.
yeah.
What is the name of that community?
Pinto
Pinto.
or Cavaliers or
Okay, cool,
Exiba.
cool. Yeah.
You know, cause it have like up at the top them called Pinto, down at the bottom Exiba. So there's so now culture and me them are rehearsed on the
Culture?
same. Yeah man. Cause them are my cousin, you know.
Culture, your cousin, culture of your cousins.
Yeah. So we are rehearsed on the same riverside. So me have a group named Black Invaders.
Black Invaders.
And we are going Joe Gibbs and
That's why you were still up in Pinto?
yeah.
Okay. So you left from up there to come.
Come live
Come
up
live-
at Pinto now, because my father moved from
Right,
Water.
so you were leaving from Pinto to Joe Gibbs?
Yeah man, to
Okay,
Joe Gibbs. Because we have to go rehearsal, practice on the
Yes.
riverside, then come to every Thursday we there at Joe Gibbs and then them choose them and you know, me do some little boom boom. And then we go at Derek Mag and go do an audition. And then he mash up the group, you know,
Black
kind
Invaders.
yeah, him say, why you are the lead singer and thing. So the youth we are lead, never want that. So, you know, boom bam.
So you went solo then?
Yeah, and then solo, but you don't know, little badness in it because you have to hustle because
Yeah.
the things change. So, yeah. One night time I run hot up there now, so I have to go a bag walk with some family there.
Gibraltar.
Gibraltar.
Yeah.
I plant weed and thing. And one Sunday now, cause them time there, you know,
Yeah.
you cut up weed for the merchant them. Come out one Sunday now with a pound of top board. See a little VW. But that VW now, we used to see it in a movie. I don't know name Herbie.
Herbie.
It was a cartoon. Then a Herbie, me see some get mad. I say, wait a Herbie that. Yeah. So me go up to it, cause you know, through them see white people, nobody no want to, you know. Me just go in on it, so when me go in, I want Rasta man named Juicy, I him there, Tough Kang there. With the little thing there out down a Marcus Garvey drive.
And the Tough Gang at the time are still federal.
A federal them
Federal
early
time,
days,
right.
but I him down there, so I Juicy that. I don't know him still, but so I just approach him with my pound of weed and I say, yo, I have a pound of top way there. I see a white brother where after me learn him name Wolfgang, you know,
Wolfgang,
a close
okay, yeah.
friend of Bob and thing. So I say, yo, this is Herbie and get excited. So the white guy say, yeah, Herbie is our like he's the projector, is our movie.
Right.
And this is Herbie. I said, the talking bug. So I said, blow. And so I say, yeah, we just take her for a ride to Jamaica. She'll be going back up. That time, I said, blow. So anyhow, poop, the man, them love my weed. So them give me a Clarks and 100 US.
Yeah?
I said, boy, come at Bob Marley, you can carry 25 pounds of this. Come at 56 Hope Road. I say, yeah, man, I can carry 100 pounds of this, man. The man, them say, all right. Come, ding, 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 ding. So me just go to all of the man, them. I say, yo, can me carry them shoes come a town, come get it bottom. Cause
Okay.
Herb man, them time they have a place at 3 Mile. I forgot where they are, the place name where them make some tough shoes with high end at the front and them bottom Clarks and Rare. So and me carry them so the Herb man them trust me cause them know me. You know? Cause some of me hustling, cause me tell you say it's a pound of herb it a go cost you if you put on the bottom. While when me come, you know what I mean?
We
It
don't
just a
think
cost
about
me
it,
at $200.
Yeah,
You over and me can sell that weed and get
Eat
a
a food.
yeah. So I saw me eat. So the man them say what? So every man goes so boom boom. The best weed in a top bud in a some. So when me reach a Hope Road the morning was like about 5 something to 5 or little after 5. The 2 big gate bus open wide. This is a yard where me dream for going and palav, you know, when me a youth I walk past it, you know, 'cause the fence used to pop down, not now, like now.
I know the picture
One
there,
wire
I
fence.
yeah, man, I know the picture
So
there.
sometimes we are look mango, sometimes you know, you can't go in there, sometimes you get a chance, so it's a yard where we would blow warm this morning and me a walk in, you know. You see when me a walk in. So as me bust the corner, me see this Rasta man with him head down, you know, like him a hole and medi in the ground, you know. So one man say good morning. So the way how me a gorilla, me just look upon him when him hold up him head, me just look upon him like I want him tail.
I walk past him.
Walk past, when me go round and go drop off the weed, me see them have a manual clog up and the brother where I clear it with the wire, him no why him hand touch the water. So me I say, I'm an idiot. So me just say, yo, you have any plastic bags? So the brother them give me. So me just put on about 2 plastic bags and tie it on me and catch the wire, kneel down and go down in the water and I rad out the thing. So me I rad out the thing, me see this Rasta, the same man when me pass on, so I make some step like. So me I watch him under my arm I come, you know? And then when me see the man come, me see the man stop. And like him I go kick me up. So me just look around upon him so like and me only hear the man just make a spin around and say, yeah. And start grumble like so. Me I say, me still a do me I do, so me I look upon a brother now when me learn a name Blackberry. Later learn him name. I say, Barry, how would I be? And him say the skip man. I say skip, who that? And him say the gang. I say gang. When him say Bob Marley, me nearly drink some of the water to rock. Me near tremble. I say what? Me want to apologize. Me don't know what to do. Them time them boom bam boom and the man all disarm where they on my ankle. And me them business about that, me I go round to this man, you know, figure say, sorry.
I apologize.
When me I go down, me only hear the man say, yo, where you come from? Where your name? And me say King Kong. And him say, where you could have King Kong or gorilla? You know have manners. You come in a man yard, you just pass the boxing gloves there. So, it's a pair of boxing gloves. If me no lie, it's either black and white or brown and white, you know, dread.
Yeah.
Like how them have football, I saw the patch them look on.
Okay, yeah.
Me say when it reach in me and me I put it on, me I tremble. I never this me come for. Then a man a whisper in me, see every punch, you get 2 kick. For every one man I say, yo, just jump the fence and run. Well, you know? And me never come here for this and me I say blow and me I say, but a Bob Marley this me nah run. So by me there, put on the gloves and one big thick brother skill, what you name? Gilly.
Gilly, okay.
Like a weightlifter. Him just a go around me like, and I say, oh. You know? And by the time that me hear the man them say, who that at the gate? And them say, rats and bats. And the man them say, let him in. And the man them say, him thief the camera. And me all get more nervous now, because I say, blow, the man them must think me a thief. And you know, then me see the man them hold rats and bats, you know, dread, and time on the mango tree and start beat him, you know. Me just hold a broom, you know.
That's it.
So you see when the gang reach over my side, like me there behind the man are coming, and when the man reach up to me, only the man say, you have yours. I'm a sweep for the better. I'm a say, me nah left the yard, yeah. Yeah, man. Me nah left. Yeah, man. Real, man.
Yes. So you became, well, you started working there, actually.
Yeah, well, me wash car, sweep up the yard. You know, when it's true, them time there, one little studio upstairs, only the gang kind of doing thing up there, but we have a rehearsal room.
Okay.
So me clean out them thing there and make tea. A brother named Chicken George, he was like the main youth, but me, you know, fever grass. When the gang have the rehearse, you have to put on fever grass, sorosy, ginger, like anything, all 4 different type of tea.
Yeah.
Because a man where you? And it's ginger tea, fever grass, sorcerer, and him choice.
Yeah, make you just.
Yeah, so them kind of way there, and yeah.
But you eventually do some work with Fat Man.
Family man.
Family Man. Barry.
Yeah. We do some recording on 2-track them time.
Yes.
Cause him was the man where in charge of the band.
Okay.
As you know, fully for equipment, everything. So him always a vice. I forgot what these girls' name. I think she passed away now. But me don't remember her
Oh,
name.
you don't remember her name?
But him did a record with she as the main act. All them a try. No, that's a Jai White. Another girl like Jai White, some root.
You probably remember before we done.
Yeah, man, and things. And then me do some recording for Family Man.
Pink Eye and Malaria.
Yeah, that was a DJ tune. I want to tell you, all right, me in the yard I wash car and things, so me don't know my strength. Even until today, my wife said me don't know my strength because me just goes a boop and something mash up. You know? So me in the yard I wash the car.
Yeah.
So a brother named Lip, you know, them man they are like bad man from jungle. So him have a BMW.
Lip used to power with Tony Welch.
Yeah. So him have a BMW. So that be my, you know, the glass on the one of the side, him catch it with a screwdriver for hold it up. So me wash the car, and when me done wash it, the glass like something, it drops, so me drop by the glass and I catch it back. But me think you have to push it down hard, feed hole. Rotted, me push the thing, me only hear boom like a gunshot. See the man a come and the man with him knife and I clean him fingernail with a ratchet and the man a say, yo, what you gonna do? You know, and every man I say, yo, you better run away, you know, because them man they go kill you, and them man they car, rain go fall wet up the man car. So when him really come down for the kill, because him a come with him ratchet open and I clean him fingernail and me stand up in front of him like a saint, you know, because I stop run now. I say, I nah run, because from me meet Bob Marley, you overs.
You overs,
yeah.
man.
So, you only see Sister Rita up on the stairs with some people at and when him say, what you gonna do? So me I say, you know, say, I push by the screwdriver and the thing bust. So you know, so wait, what kind of strength you push? You know, must know a glass. Me say, me never really, so him say, yo, Sister Rita, maybe she here.
Yes.
So she come out on the little, at the back door, you have a back door at the back of the building with a stairs where lead it from the back. So she just come out on the little dark stores there. And him say, Sister Rita there, you know, you better go talk to her, you know, she can save you. So me just say, Sister Rita, I wanna have a word. And you know, me just run up the stairs fast and I say, Sister Rita, you know, I'm King Kong. Yeah. I'm the one who washed the cars and blah 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 blah. And I was washing Lip car and I don't know when the glass just break and blah, 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 blah. And she just walk back in. She didn't say do or die, but she just walk in. So me just run back down. So from him see me talk to her, him know say you have to go do the rest. So me not going away. Me still there and then him fly out gonna foreign. So one night we there at the studio, he come and I do him thing in the studio and some in the studio, some of the man them I say, yo, some I say, yo, me a bad singer, you know, that I'm second when him Sonny, him leave for run the program, Sonny from Jungle, bad boy too. So I say, me a bad singer, you know, so I'm like, yo, we don't want no singer upon the rhythm, me a straight DJ, you know. I want singer, you know, say come out and so I say, yo, me are the wickedest DJ, yeah, me can DJ. I say, yeah, man. I say, go in there. One cut, you know. DJ. So one cut. Remember, Joe Gibbs, in them time, you have to try something, you know. If a man say, yo, come used to DJ and sing.
Oh.
When me there dance, me a sing and DJ because we have to do everything, you know, because so it go. So we just fly in there. We have two. No, I man called Ranking King Kong. Company up the nation. We have two bad diseases in Jamaica. One named Pink Eye and malaria. And me say, how you catch pink eye, sir? And when you hug up a daughter, you'll jam on your eye full of water. And you know, because them time they have influence. You You have enough DJ out there, Jata Mass, whole heap of, you know, so boom, boom. One cut, boom, the man them say, why you bad?
One go.
One cut, boom, then when Sonny fly out and come back, me get Clarks and so
that was your first recording.
We come a road. Me record
a Joe Gibbs.
Me record a Joe Gibbs.
So who you record for that time?
Errol Thompson and Enos McLeod.
Enos was a gate man at the time?
Yeah, them time the Enos I gate man. I think so. Either Enos, yeah, because Enos look what after things say Errol.
Okay,
if Errol not there, Enos. And the next short, thick black brother. I can't remember what his name.
So
yeah.
what were this? You remember any of the song in terms of name when you record on for Errol?
No, I want to tell you, because them time, you know, a DJ them want. A DJ them want. So some DJ song.
So you were mostly interested in singing at the time then?
Yeah, because we have a group, even, alright, one of our song, them give to Burning Spear. A song where him say, where you hear him say like, I wish they could live up in the hill. Because we have a song them time where we take audition one. We say, I wish they could think for themselves. I wish they could think for themselves. You know, as a group, and them give to...
You mean as Black Invaders?
Yeah. And
give it to Burning.
Yeah, because we hear it back where Burning Spear sing say, I wish they could live up in the hills, I wish blah blah blah. We could live up it. You know, with the same melody and things. So and them time yeah man, so I go solo and then
So Pink Eye and Malaria was your first recording that kind of touch your road.
Yeah.
How well did that song do?
Well, it do good because them time me there tough can alright. And me and Selvin I carry things go at airport. So sometimes thousands of records, and when you look, me I watch, me used to carry the vinyl them, you know, because we have pressing plant at Tough Gang.
Okay.
And shipment of vinyl, 2 trailer load. So me and some other youth, I pack off 2 trailer of vinyl, carry in the storeroom, pack up round at the side, pack up, you know, so we live at the yard and we take care of everything. When mess up, well, we are talking about me. Forget about that. Yeah. So, yeah. So from Tough Gang, after we left the yard, because Sister Rita changed up things and said.
That was after Bob died.
Yeah. And then you know.
So did you go to prison before Tough Gang change?
No, it was after.
It was after. So you actually have to leave the yard.
Yeah, because you where that go on now. I mean, Bob was a man where a Joseph, you know, reincarnating this time. No man, I don't joke thing. You have to get the thing.
You say it, man.
Yeah, man, a serious thing, man. A Joseph coming this time. So this man coming this time with spiritual can and also physical can, because the balance, the physical and spirit have to balance. So the man put all them Rasta brethren them in charge, because the man say through film time as a youth him go through peer victimization for other producer guy where treat them and them give them and even take all them rights for them thing and ding ding ding. So him say one set a thing where I when we forward we not have to go through them manipulation there. So him farm Tough Gang and him put all them Rasta friend them in charge. So you have some was in charge of audition, some was in charge of production, some was in charge of marketing, some was in charge of distribution, some was in charge of PR. I just saw the man set the thing, you know. Selassie God know, you know. So even Sister Rita, enough people talk bad about her, but it's not like what them say. Cause me as a youth, me see when she wouldn't talk about things like with anyone when we woman would say your friend this or that, we don't say, what I'm to you, yo, cool yourself, I want to you, I'm urging this. So like Sister Rita did that see certain things long time, but Babu don't cover down and you know, nothing where she has said because I'm a friend them this year.
Right.
So in the end, the whole of the man them are thief every
thing. So Rita have to shake up.
So when Bob find out, because Diane Jobson was a liar, but she and Rita was no good friend because you know the gang are the gang. So when the gang find out these things through Sister Diane, the gang was mad and him can't say nothing because I'm friend them when him
choose them.
Yes. So the gang just say, yeah, hear me, I'm an artist in a music I deal with. You see these things, I can deal with these things. So Sister Rita, you and Diane Jobson deal with these things.
Oh.
I go up on the store. When I'm done, I know want no man round. I go give everybody everything where them forget, where them want, some man want, you know. Them hurt the youth heart. So after that, you know what I mean?
Everybody sad.
Yeah, so Sister Rita now, them run a program like for do an education thing. Because our business now and it's official. So we can't have people at work and we know ding ding ding. Which is right, you know?
Right.
So I couldn't make it in the education part. So who no make it, no more sleeping in the yard, no more idling. Because it's a complex now, it's a business, we have to run it ding ding ding.
Fair enough.
Yeah, man. So the road become my thing again, you know it go. So after that, yeah, mash up some places and me get bite on something and all you know what I mean? You know?
You know what you mean, man?
Me know, you know? Boom, bam, boom. So after the police brothers said all of them things them couldn't have me pan. Me beat it. The boy pin on one thing for me, you see?
Machine?
No man, pin on a charge for me.
Yeah, just a charge.
What me not do. You over as what me I say. And I saw now me up a GP. Yeah, but I ja work still, you see? Cause so, yeah, then a GP me boss guys like.
If you're GP, you must.
Yes, because me that GP now and one little short pants, you know, because me pepper. And I can't make all some boy know some of their jail. So, no visit because I know all me, you know, people them know say ding dang. So no visit, so some boy think me a idiot. So a boy this me one morning, I got the pipe and wash out my plate and thing. I see a hand stretch over my shoulder. So I have to hold the hand like this and push it back. So I'm a bad man, so I don't even look back at home, I just still a wash. So when I spin round, the brother that with a sharpened toothbrush, and I hide the brother come find out me have to give him a, and it just barely go down. So I say, so I just go down and thing, put on my liquor plate, and I youth there next door named Bala. I know him from up my way there too. And he might give me a jammer, I just put it on my shirt and just walk up there nicely and them hold him with 216 a garden, you know, so him a tall black boy, I just walk up there, so I reach up and just and start put it on him and he might take everything in him hand and him friend them draw shovel and a youth named Barley from Towel say, Lego that, a one-on-one. And they must say, yo, a Wednesday to them, you know, one man place lockdown and me no get my visit. And you know, just back off. So the Barley say me a soldier, Barley say, yo, singer, me and your part. So every night we have contests, like that Celia against a Celia. So one night we did there, that time I write, I think we are hear the news, Gaddafi and Reagan. Yeah, and I saw now. So you see the night when me draw that, the water come draw the break. Cause the nice, you know, I say if I hear a pin drop, I said, draw the breaker, I broke up every wara. And the place quiet. So the next morning, now Barley say, yo, me a producer, you know. When you drop a road, come check me, you know. Towel, I come from Armenia, Barley, you know. And me say, yeah, ding, ding, ding. And I say, all right. So it so happened that, watch it joke now. The police boy want sentence me innocent, you know. Me there a GP, me have no lawyer, you know. Me charge burglary, robbery, shoot, all kind of thing the boy put on me. You know. Watch it now. Some man a say, yo, if you get sentenced, you look on 40 years. You know. You see the burglary alone, 15 that carry, you know. You see all kind of thing. Me I go to court Monday, you know. Friday, me dead, you know. When me take a stock, me see a lawyer named Mr. Rowe. Richard Rowe. And him a defend the double PGA man them where they do all of the bank robbery them and all the blah blah. So my head just chip and I say, Mr. Rowe, please sir, can I have a minute? And him come up and I say, yes sir, I'm a little double PGA from up on the hill there, you know. We burn and all these things and this policeman chew me is a double PGA and them can't catch me. Him pin on one thing for me. Mr. Rowe say, you talking the truth? I say, yes. The girl with them say, it's my cousin. Me say, him say, when you go in court? Me say, Monday and it's trial and me not have no liar. Me have to tell lie, you know. Me say, all of them youth, you know, Perry and John them from Waterhouse, even though me know them. Me say, I'm them crony, we are double PJ. Because up on my way, them have a double PJ thing, so me kind of know about it, you know. Me say, Bangle, and, you know, call some name where me know, you know, the thing. He say, all right, you see me Monday. I said, please, Mr. Rowe, because they need me out there now, you know. Boop, Mr. Rowe turn up Monday, you know, yo. I can't believe. Watch how Jah work in my favor. I assure you, when you're a good youth, you always live. Because, you know, it's glad when you don't kill people, because it's a great thing for don't kill nobody.
Yeah, well, that's a great thing for true.
Because people fake, me fake. No, you know, not really fake, me bluff. But me not make no boy step on me, so me come bust it up, but me not shoot you, know, but me just want a man say, yo, over there, me I say.
Don't take him simple.
Yeah. So watch it now. The jury where them have, them set up the jury. The 4-woman jury, no a lady where me know from Waterhouse. The 4-woman jury.
Yeah,
right? Is a woman when me know from Malacha Road when me and her son go school together and me carrying her grocery when she cause them have a shop. When the lady look for me, me never even know Miss Dell. She name Miss Dell, you know. Then me look good, me say, but Miss Dell, so me want to get a message to her now. Like me want to say, Miss Dell, it's Dennis. You know, because me never know the thing. Then them say, oh wait. Then them change the jury because
then
if
find out
she know me, so she have to
tell them, say.
Right. So them change the jury. So me I said, them I say your case put off like an hour, them I try quick, because it have to try today.
Try today.
Because the boy have me a bake for 1 year and 11 months in a dread.
1 year and 11 months.
So, me dead there, you know. Then, them have a new jury. Then, boop. When the man them attack, I don't hear when it reaching at the summing up. Because my man gone back on the prisoner, them try my case, you know. Some of them did right, because them say, listen, them don't take no semen from you. So that means this look like a cook-up. Me say, yeah, why them never take my sperm and the woman and them would run nose, ding, ding, ding. And ding. Anyhow, me see the woman at court because me dep on another charge, a Stone Hill. And she come from round my way. Hold on, she'd come from round my way.
Yeah.
She know my family. So me I try send a message to her to tell me people them say me they are jail at Stone Hill. That I me never know that day she come from know me, you know, for pint me out for ID parade. So me all me then remember what she name like what I say. Come me in a court now, you can't call, you know. So anyhow, me tell all my lawyer these things because it's true. When me find out who is the person where them say me do all these things to. So anyhow, me get where Rasta, when them say not guilty, me never hear when the lawyer come and say how you feel. Me heart a beat, me out of this world. That's why me know some man will get some sentence right away them brain chip, you know. Because it happened to me because me say, me no hear nothing way in the court more than me hear a brother say, you look on 45 years, me a check now. Me at 20, me at 20, me a come out 65. Me mind the all about. Watch it now. When me hear me the lawyer say, oh, hear me to him now, what it is? He said, not guilty. My heart come back down. Me say, not guilty. So me can He said, no, you have to wait.
Okay, I just left so.
Blah, blah, blah. And them carry me back at GP, say you have to sign out. So I saw now, me left Bali at GP.
I left Bali around there.
Yo, Vice, came upon some murder, cause them time they are 21, upon him nozzle, you know. I got them call him, you know, towel, you know. And them man, they are shell along the place, you know. So now, me drop a road now. Drop back up in a my little area now, feel good.
Top a pinto there.
Me I tell you, bad luck kid. As me drop, something happen. Police a look for me. Cause me just come, something happen. Me have to take with myself again. Cause me say me nah go back down. Because so when me take with myself now, me a par with some other youth now. So me and them youth go Marvel and one of them say, yo, them have some family at Tower Hill. So the day the 4 away come at Tower Hill. So they must say, yo, I don't like what Tower Hill, because you know, over Marvel, a different thing, and down there's a rare. So we come through and then reach a Tower Hill. No Bali up on the road, on the wall. So what, King, is a blood boy. And we hug up and thump our fist and him say, yo, come here, carry you go to Tubby's.
Firehouse.
Carry me around at Tubby's. So Tubby's, I want wicked artist, this, you know. So my daddy I go on ding dong ding till nothing I go on. Dub plate, I like me start them thing there because that's how me eat my food. Arrows, all of the sound them from country. I care what them name, because me there studio and me open door for Tubby's, the gate and morning. Me I brush my teeth from Tower, because Tower me live, so me just a walk come down. Me I brush my teeth, come a studio, come wash out my mouth. Me and Banana Man, Derek, Kyrie, Captain Calvary, you know? Them little youth then. Tanya, Mikey, Tanya, and some more other youth. So then now, boom, boom, there. Nothing now go on one day. Me have to go to boom and no, me do this magic moment. No, before that.
Okay.
Me have to back all my knife and put it a P-gut short, because I'm not vice.
Fat man, they don't have time.
Yeah, and scientists, they just gone a foreign.
Yeah.
So one day, me just get mad because Barley threatened me, because you know the thing going on. Remember, none of we are not saints.
Right.
You over what I say. So me there a while, me not do nothing. But the man them when me there around, them a do things. So my friend them a ding dang dong. So sometimes me there on the road with some man. So one night Barley come and say, yo, King Kong, come here. So me I say, what me do? So and I say, yo, me I say, there on the road, you know. You see any man kill you, and me have to kill them, you know. So me I make sure I kill you first. So watch here. So me I say, boss, so you know, me lock a studio now, you know. You over there, me I say, yeah. So one day now, me just back my ratchet and just run up on Pigo and say, I'm going like you want me bust your throat and go back at GP. You're going like you know. So Fat Man, no, Fat Man never come there yet. Red Man, him and Tubby's are brethren, so Red Man are going at the business, so Tubby's get some rhythm. So them vice me partner, so me do this tune, this magic moment.
Drifters.
Yeah, before Gibbons lick it.
Yeah.
Go so boom and chop it and it sell 300 copy, because Tubby's is a man tell you the truth. Tubby's not hide no. So Tubby say it sell 300 copy and thing and still there. So when the thing come now, one morning, I'm gonna come to studio, so I have a little thing in my head. I like my bathroom thing. Sensimina is walking and Sensimina is talking. Whoa, hey, Sensimina has found. And so I just thing in my head. So a brother from England that the studio come and they say, yo, me like that, you can do that for me. So me I say, yeah man, because I know nothing, me and do it for him. I don't remember how much you get for $200 or $400 or $100, I don't remember, but we get some little Jamaican. So it mix, Pigo mix it and it a play. So Toby is driving and I going on my face. And then Toby stop at the door and say, turn him in and say, Tenor Sir was here. And Pigo said, no. And him say, who is that there? And Pigo say, a King Kong. And him not say nothing, go in my office. Then little after, must say Everall or one of them say, Toby's call you. So I'm going to him office, him give me a 16 track and say, like him said, number 4, rhythm, give to Pigo. And I want you to sing something on it. I don't want your usual style. I want that style what I hear you just do there now. So I say, okay. So then now I just go in there now. And then I have a thing in my head. You know, someone step on my car. It was like a dream. Cause I dream one night. I used to dream, I fly, go through the light wire, go through the cloud, really, all kind of things. So that's why I said, last night in my dream, Lord, I got a vision. You know, cause you have to find lyrics, you know. You can't stop, you know, all them tune. Watch it now. That tune there is history, you know.
Yeah.
You see the day when me I do that tune, the man them come juke down the studio and rabbit, you know.
Toby's there?
Yes, and me then their voice, a good thing, me no stop. The man them think a record I play, you know. The man them rob off everybody gold and diamond and everything where I go on, you know. When the thing done on me come out of the studio, me see every man on the floor, you know. Cause the man said, don't move, you know. I tell you, all Bali them rob, you know.
Yeah.
Cause a man will wear pure gold.
Bali
You know.
did I see that?
Yes, but never have him.
You never have nothing.
After that, I murder man. You hear the whole of Penwood Road lockdown. Cause them man the lockdown Waterhouse say all 3 days, you know. Them time they appear M1, you know. When every man you see have M1, you know, like how now you don't say every man have 16. Yeah.
So step on my car.
Yeah man, and the tune that I want to tell you, when the tune bust and Barry G a bust it, you know, Barry G don't know, you know, cause one night him used to do this road show.
Right.
So him there Golden Spring where you can sing and get money, them time them hot. But the dance I go on, some bridging them say, yo, we are going to dance, you know, Barry G. So I go to the dance. So now me and a brother now neck and neck for the prize money. So me winning about the people them through the crowd, Barry G no want me buy her. So him say, alright, we're going to split the box of beer and we're going to split the $100. Cause them time the $100.
Quite a nice.
Yeah. You see by the time the $100 change and me get 50 and my friend them are putting in them pocket. A man just whisper in my ear. I said, the boy them there the door. Cause the man them here say King Kong there the dance. Me say and the last time that them not see me back up there. Yes, I tell you, rat bad soap. All when me boss and they are firing on the man them a dig down me and now when me call all my old man call to me and me say, yo, me say send some money. You know, police is there the yard last week. I said about you. I said, Dad, are firing me there with this, them. Look how long me not come up at them place, you know? So, yeah, man.
Someone step on my car, you know. They got a little piece of that tune, you know.
Someone step on my car and never tell me sorry. No, someone step on my car. Lord God of mercy. Whoa. I feel it in my heart and soul. It's like a burning without control. I feel it in my heart and soul. It was a burning without control. Last night in my sleep, Lord, I got a vision. I saw angels blowing trumpet, but they're all covered in white garment. Through that step on my corn, it just make, you know, ding, ding, ding.
Thing.
Yeah, man.
Let me ask you, because I come to you look later, but the world know that King Kong, Tennessee, and Nitty Gritty have a similar sort. That's how you started out, or when Tubby's tell us the vibes they want.
Yeah, it's when Tubby's said that, because my mind never did even there. So if you hear this magic moment,
right?
You know, this magic moment when I, you know, whatever, boom, boom, because of my voice that. So that was me and thing, and even some other tune when I do for Tubby's, you know.
So what you did actually voice? Sense me in a walk in that.
It was in my head, maybe from Pumpkin Belly, maybe me hear Pumpkin Belly, maybe, or Ika Mouse, because Ika Mouse and me used to, they are tough Kong.
Right.
And him used to make our Mickey Mouse around me and I say, yo, I mean if you have your name, you know, you have my name, you know. Because no, through him name Ika Mouse, through me name King Kong and him big up, you know, and him for
Happy
you know,
bigger name.
yeah, and me feel
look about
right.
Ikamouse.
So him always so sometimes me monkey around him thing like mini mini bong ding, mini 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 bong ding.
Oh,
Hey, ding
cool.
ding ding dong dong ding ding dong. Oi, me, you know,
Yes.
him used to that tough gang and me was the, you know. So I me had to run out you. Gone up a Matilas corner, get ice cream, anything, round a New Kingston, Geno's, or with the restaurant the name, where them turn another hotel you know when name some big hotel.
Okay.
Forgot where
Yeah.
name. Yeah, so anyhow. Yeah, so either this or Tennessee, so me have a thing when me say Sensimina is walking and Sensimina is talking. Whoa, you know?
Yeah.
Sensimina was found. So most likely a Tennessee.
Right.
Yeah.
So when Toby tell us he want a flavor, they just stick with it.
Yeah, because it made me boss because step on my can every dance.
It a player.
Every dance when I go, you know, them time they, you know, all zinc fence flat, you know.
Right.
And me I tell you about Barry G. So when now with one day me on the interview, so me I say Barry G, you don't really know which King Kong this, you know. Then kind you know they're the boogeyman hand. I said now I'm on the afternoon, I'm gonna speak with King Kong here. We have on the line, it's blazing fire. I said the line is going on. And I go on, you know. And me I say, you remember Golden Spring? You remember the King Kong where the competition is like him freeze?
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man. So, Barry G, a great youth. Him do a lot for my career. Yeah,
So, step on my card,
Yeah.
take on the street.
Yeah, man. Boom down
Did
the
he
place.
reach number one or he just charted?
I think he got number 2.
He got number
But them
2.
time there, I know the business was corrupt. You have some producer, them fight the whole of Tubby's tune. Them no one, Tubby's getting a number 1. So some producer at the time control the radio man them. So anything with Tubby's appear number 2. You know, appear number 2. You understand? Now I get the number 1
I get the
spot.
number 1.
You know, I think Anthony Red Rose and I'm a fat thing did get number 1.
Right, because Red Rose was run by Firehouse at the time. With
Yeah. Cause even Temper where Red Rose do, I mean it for do it.
Yes.
But true it was Tennessee song and me know him sing it a dance. Me tell Toby say no, me not sing that. You understand? So I saw Red Rose jump on the wagon there, you know, and them want Everald do it. And
King Everald was on there.
yeah, and then you know Everald do the harmony. If you put in Temper in the computer, it show Everald name in it too because him do the backing vocal. Yeah, cause Red Rose couldn't sing them time there. Rare. Even Anna me fat thing me help write some of the lyrics.
Yes?
Come Anna me fat thing me on me fat thing. Anna me fat thing me on me cause that already echo mine at
Right.
ding dang dong. And she bunks me here and she bunks me there. She bunks in and she bunks in and she just don't care. She wheel and turn me till she tumble down. But I am still dancing till I'm in front. This is not a shock, this is not a surprise. Me and my fat thing gone computerized. And me give him that line there. You understand? So that's how we used to work. You know?
Yeah.
And them thing there. So when Temper come now, you know, Temper, my God, it's a sound in a temper. Ha ha, fever. And when me I say no, me not go there so because a theme tune, because I'm independent of myself, even though
You
me
have
name
a
a
sound
boss
there.
and yeah, me want, you know, see if you listen to the whole of my song and me write them, I pay lyrics. You overs, because he's a writer, you know. So I saw no Red Rose say, yeah, me do it. And I saw him jump on the sound there.
Right.
You understand? And the tune boss. You
And Red
understand?
Rose actually did an album together.
Yeah.
2 ball in a
Yeah.
1 pen.
So after that, we go England and think me and him together
Okay.
for the first time. And, you know, him only have 2 tunes. So him can't do no more than the little show them where we get to go up or do like 3 show where they book for we do.
Yeah.
But the man them now want me come back home because them time me have enough tune that I may never know. Say some things set. You overs because what happen? After me do years I go around
Right.
and step on my can and this magic moment for Tubby's. Me and my woman
She move out left here.
yeah, because you know she's pregnant and me feel good now me have a youth. So me feel bossy now and then me get a little situation where me forget $300, right? So me I say, well, all right, me get the $300 in a check. At them time you have to go change it. So I'm gonna change half a tree, come back. So me I say, well, all right, she pregnant now. We are gonna buy up baby things. So me come back with the 3 bills now in my pocket. Me I say, what, mama, you good? I say, all right, I could go buy up some baby things, because I know it's a boy, you know, and bro. I don't want no more picnic, you know, I don't carry it, you know. I say, well, I say, baby, me a boss now, you know, things are go good, you know. At them time, you know, you just come from the prison, you find a little girl, me and her used to sleep in her mother's kitchen, dirt floor, you know, in a towel, tamarind turn. So, I really appreciate she take me in, even though rare. She sleep, me and her sleep in her mother's kitchen, because she could have sleep in the house, but through me can't come in. Yeah. So me and her bunk sit, and she have 2 youth, them time there are 3 youth, but me no care. So them time you know, truly little money I make. Me rent a room now and me I pay like must say $100 a month. You know? 2 bedroom. So she have furniture, so she move in bed and everything. So me and her I live up. Boom, now she pregnant now. The woman says she want to buy it, so she want $200 out of my 3 bills if you go take a abortion. So me just psychology jump in, so me just say, boy baby, if you ever know what happened to me, I change the money. I can't pick me up on the bus, you know. Because and $100 me see in my pocket, you know. As me said that, so the woman just get mad and just start move out her thing then. So me draft your banana stalk, you know, because you know when you take off the banana for the thing. If you go lick her with it, you know. And when me put on the first one, you know. She said, if you ever lick me again, the time, you know the thing carpers, then time I may have like 2 underpants. But in the earlies, when me just come a road and thing no right, she'd have one blue thing there where a panty still, but it look like underpants. Some more time I eat me. No, honest, we have to speak the truth. I eat me have on the day. Because of the first liquor bread this when we get 3 bills, you know? It's like a big money. So the day, she said, if you ever me talk, say, yeah, wear me right there. So I have to just throw down the banana stalk and watch her move. So I little shot at them dip on my side, you know, because them time there's some youth named Django, and him run the place. I say, liquor, and if I brother them, we just beer. Because me a boss, you know, and them dead. Me just watch her. So she move out. She move out to blood clot. When the girl move out, Jah just bless me, you know, because I go around at Tubby's, and I say, Tubby's up on the floor, me there, you know. Them time there, she in a spirit. So she want to manage me. She have to just drop me home every day. I can't carry her in my yard, not her, a white girl, you know. You know? Because I used to love that girl, and she there, Bob Marley, you know. I'm fantasize her for her, you know, because you know she in a spirit.
Yeah, man, we don't worry.
Pretty and some blowout leg. Me I tell you, you know. So if she end up coming my manager now, so me I say, what? Everything, you know. I can't carry her in my house, because, you know. A floor. So I go to Tubby's and say, Tubby's, you know, so my woman move out and about a week now up on the floor, me there, and I want to buy a bed and ding ding. Tubby said, listen, step on my car, it's doing good on the chart and ding ding, everything will be good now. AIDS are go around. Just wait. So me there wait. One morning, me just say, me not take this, you know. So me just go around at jammings. That was crossing the line, kind of them time there.
That's why it's one producer.
Yeah. I just go on a jammings, you know, boy, if me didn't know, say the man need me like that, I could have said ding ding. But them time there, me not look on certain things, me just watch the opportunity, the needs when me need at that moment. Yeah. Because I can't carry nobody at me yard. Everybody just drop me home. I can't even send some girl, you know the thing go already.
What thing come on?
So jammings are you me come check, you know. Right now, in a situation, I want a bed, you know. I said, bed? Where you want? The man just give me a check for $3,000.
$3,000.
And I said, me for vice. The man said, come when you want, man. That time I never know, say the man want me in him camp, because him and tell us I break up and nothing now. I just got a boom down and I say blow out bank and change that and go down and I say coats. Dive on bed, fridge, everything me get. Everything. So that's why I do that tune the film. She must say Salaman a Gunday, pack up and gone on a Monday. Hey, hey, Salam, you know? Yeah,
Pack
man.
up and go on the show name.
Yeah. Yovas. Me I'll call her name at the end. Baby C, cause Baby C she name. Cause Sunday, me get the check over the weekend. Me say Monday, mama, me I go draw this. Cause a life I go move up now, you know. And me love that girl, like, cause you know that girl and you a come from nothing. You know, and she did it for you when you make it now. You want she did it with you. Anyhow, so the thing, boom, boom, and my thing step up. Furnish out my thing and, you know, everything up and ding, ding. And start fly out and, you know me I say, the thing ding, ding. And I vice everybody and up and down and ding, ding, ding. And, yeah. But just true, we never have no management. You never have no one who care for your interest. Them just care for what them can get. So them just suck you out and, you know me I say, you know the thing go. Up, man. Yeah, man. So I one of them things.
So technically, you left Tubbies?
No really say leave Tubbies, but me have to move on. From this, I'm start vice everybody now.
Oh, okay.
Me vice Jammins, me vice Prince Jasbo, me vice Aquarius, I think. Me vice for Scorpio, me vice RG, me vice, you know? Me just a vice.
All about the place.
Yeah, for everybody who need me.
And then you went back, you went away in that time. Canada?
Yeah, one tell you say, Rudy, right now, some man don't know this game or this business. Where in the thing. When I'm on boss in them time, I never know I was a sensation. You know?
Yeah.
Cause you're just glad for the opportunity for express and your dream what you'd want to do. So I'm gonna stay at Sanders Hotel that I have Hope Road, not where them call Brookstrat thing, you know. This lady named Mrs. Blake.
Okay.
She'd have a hotel named Sanders.
Okay.
She first have that name there. Sanders. So from the 70s already at Tough Gang, we used to carry tourists there.
Okay.
So it's like we're hustling ground, ding ding. So when my bus back, it's a joy if we go back when we used to carry tourists, go stay. So it become my favorite little spot. So that's why I stay. Cause them time there, we didn't know say, you know, you can pay down on this and get this.
Own that and that.
Nothing, you just.
Nobody not telling nothing.
So you just live where you can live. Hotel are the thing, so we just live in a hotel. So you over. So watch it now. The man them set up a girl for me. But I never know. So one morning I come down, this girl sit on my seat where me always sit. My table, tall, she look like Whitney Houston. You know?
Yeah.
So me just get memorized as a ugly boy, you know? And me I say, boy, baby, boom, bam, boom, can I sit? Is this taking? And she say, no, feel free, bro. So me take the seat. Me have me and saltfish and rate and boom, boom. Then we get talking. She say she's from Canada, but you know her parents Jamaican, but she's Canada. She said, "Why are you doing here?" So she said, "Oh, I came down here with some people, and they just leave me at the hotel here, you know, and I owe a lot of bills, and they wanna, you know." So when I look on the girl, she's so gorgeous, you know. So I said, "How much you owe?" So she said something like 28,000. So I just clear the bill. I just said, move to my room. You know? So, me have up this girl now. So me say, me for fly out. So me for go to America. So me tell them, say, yo, me now go to America unless me am a woman, you know. So America never happen. So England now, me tell the promoter them the same thing. So them say, but it's too late now because that ding, ding, ding. So I say, all right, here, all right. As me reach here to come, them say, you executive. That time I never know, in a late me come know, the girl is a smuggler in a Rasta. When we reach her England, like 2 days after she come up, every top jugs man, every top down where them I say, yo, a Rose Rice in my drive, them know her. So me I say, oh, you know, oh, it's my mother friend. Me's a big punk, you know. Me used to beat her with belt, you know, Rudy. You know, when you love somebody, you know what, me used to beat her with belt. When me and her have nothing, I'm a belt, me take off, you know. Because me know what,
Damage.
Me I tell you. Anyhow. So, you know?
Yeah, man.
Me I go on and I go on and I go on and I go on. She even introduced me to the white lady, you know, them time there. Me I fake it because the whole of my friend them I do it.
Right.
But me crush up my fenzik. Crush up my fenzik or caffeinol, put in my little bag like them little weed bag, yeah. So when we go a dance and every man goes up on them top, me just take out my fenzik and you know, so every man feels say me in the league, you know. So all some man I give me real thing, you know, cause some man just give me all some real thing. Me just give it to some man when me know a rare. So even she, you know, she a try get me. So all the while she used to, so me just build up a cigarette and me always throw it in the drawer in the hotel room. So one day she buck it up and say, oh, that's why I can't smell your stuff. All the while you build it up, I can't smell nothing. So anyhow, after me and her, boom boom, we all kind of mash up Canada, ding ding. So this girl now, Black Huro, she used to sing for Black Huro. Some used to, they must stay at the same hotel, the whole all. Dennis Brown, everybody used to ding ding there. So I used to watch her, so me always want a chop her fight. So one day I go say to her, say, can I come with you and enjoy some of that thing? And she said, what thing? I said, that thing there. You ever do it yet? I said, no, but I would like to. She said, all right, come give me a ride. I'm going down, you know? So them time they have rental and things. So I go to Brook and carry her down one park down New Kingston when I used to ding dong. She get her thing and carry her up. Boom, in the room with her now. So she set up her thing. So she give me the first light. First me I do it, you know, the woman never tell me. So I go so boom, me not blow up the water and wet up the whole house. Oh man, she have to pull down again and clean up. How you tell me? I said I never tell you. She run me out of her room.
Yeah.
But me like her a good thing to because me saying at the end she doom dam doom. So maybe we don't kill it and we don't doom dam doom too. So a good thing. So, you know?
Yeah, man.
So anyhow, she was the one who made up the int and then me and Ringo start, you know, do some little thing and then I saw me start play with the thing. So when we reach back to Canada now and if you see my daughter, because my wife, she have a daughter. But from England, my mind changed because one little move make me and her there in England and this youth, I'm driving a Rolls Royce. So when we did it, I'll drive it too, cause you know, one carney she was like, and, you know, him on a fire brigade place.
Yeah.
So we sell fire things, very expensive.
Okay.
So kind of have money, but all him do, him just take the car for 6 months, then change it with the company. Okay, can I get the latest? What's the next? And him swap it. So at the same money I turn over. Right, you know? So you will see him for the year change all 4 different Rolls Royce, but ding ding ding. So we know him thing and him deal with little dung dung too. So me always I tell her, yo, you see Roy? Him after you. Come and say, oh, you so ugly, you get such a pretty girl. You know? As my friend, but me know when, so me always say careful. So one day them book a studio for me for do an album. One of them cousin. So pity them don't know, me come out of Striker Lee school. When we go to studio and we say Cell Black, when 10 o'clock in the morning, album, 2 album and mix. Cause we done Vice 2 album. So when they go so boom and them go, me just go so roops and me done like in 3 hours. Ready for go back on my yard. That time them plan for me there at the studio and him cousin take away my woman, my wife. So when we reach back, I can't rise, she not there. So I say, so just as me come in, pull the door, stand up in the house, I say, where she could have gone? Me hear the Rolls Royce, because I know the sound. So by me forgot to the window, I drive her fast. So when she come up, me never see it, but me just use my head. Me say, what's you doing coming out a Rye car? Oh, he came around here and you were here, so I just go with him for a drink. So I smell her because she drink cognac. I say, you that drink, so bomb my boxer. So Me just turn off her, cause them time them a one burner. You know when you say you pearl this and you not ding ding. So I say dog. You know man stay them think all kind of thing. Then she tell me him never do this, but only that alone him do. Me I say but for him do that, him do that too, so that even worse. You know? So I say, so my mind cut. So when I come back at Jamaica, me buy her a one-way ticket back to Canada. And I tell her I will come over because she's pregnant. So she have a premature baby. So even me and myself to me I say she got a breed before. So me did all, I say I know my youth. So when me allow her cause she always used to say that you think it's your child. Then another minute she say it's your child, King. You know? So anyhow, when we reach Canada now, that time I get rotten. So when we reach Canada, no, New York, and she gonna meet me at New York. So I go to New York, and then me and her meet at New York, because she'd have some family there. And her father, him was a big time dealer too. So him have a base in New York, and him have a place in Canada. So we go to New York, round film, ding, ding, ding. So that day, you know, she goes so boom, because she do her thing, but she always a try and me ding, ding. So she see me go so boom and get her butt boys, and she see me just rub off the thing, and she see me just get a pin and bore it up, and she see me go, and she say, oh my God, where you learn that? Oh my God, King. And that's how I'm here. So me and her start, you know, like a party, meet her father, boom boom, fly back to Canada. And it just couldn't work, you know, because me I get rotten, so me go out and do my thing, she ding ding ding. That time I still never know where I go on, you know, Rudy. Then, you know, I left her, come back at Jamaica, then England.
Right. Hold on, man, England, because we kind of jump a little bit. See, while at Jammies now, things start blaze. Tune start flow. There was a little thing between you and, probably not you, but it was designed to look like you and Integrity.
Well, you know, say,
musical confrontation.
I never know nothing about that, you know. All I know, say, Jammins do a blessing for me. Because me is a youth like this. Even until today, even though Jammins not give me nothing, publishing, and him still have him name, say him write all of the work I do for him, and him a collect the money, or what, and him not give me nothing. Me still remember the day when me dip on the floor, and him give me a money. So all a bed. So the kindness when him do for me, if it even cost me, somebody did forget 10 million and him get it, is a kindness. You always what me say. So me not have nothing against him. And if him should have speak the truth, even when him rise back 96, when me left England, get deported, me left prison with a master plan. When me get master in a business and administration for recording company. Me carry that to him. That time him dead. Nothing. Me and him, I lock the studio till 4 o'clock. No artist no around him. All him have a suku them where chain to what, 21?
Right.
Me and him every night. And when him go through my 60-odd page, he must say, but me know all of this, but who me I go use to run this? The picnic them no in no railway, them no interested. Not me do me. Me say borrow from the bank even 8 million. Pressing plant, a CD I go run thing. No, them CD thing no do. Me say that are the millennium thing. A CD I go do it. Get a CD plant and da. Me know where 2 CD. Me know where a pressing plant they sell. Him say brother. Me say Tapazuki have 2 pressing plant and him not use them. Him and Striker Lee a friend. Make Striker Lee talk to him and you buy them. You are gonna be the blah blah blah. Everything when me say him doing a youth. Me tell him if him speak the truth where God live, Ward 21 them before them name Suko and Conley and Rum Cream or Rum Blood where we call him, or one that rare one. Me say them youth have the millennium sound. Them youth have go bust your back. You know what you talk about. Green Sleeve no know nothing with me because him give them everybody the same album. So nobody no want to do with nothing with him. Me say them youth have the sound. Him take me advice and them farm them rhythm name bada. You see when my idea, you know, say get Beanie Man for vice pan the rhythm and guitar edge, you know. You see when them a do everything, the man no want me voice pan the rhythm. Me have a tune name. A woman alone in a me haji. A woman alone a fi massage me. A woman alone a me give me hanky. The man say you're a rasta, cause them time them me forward me nothing. You're a rasta, you can't sing them. That time me no know the man no want bust me back and me every day hear me to him now. Jamming somebody a thief me publishing, you know. Me no get no money from re. Nobody now take your publishing, man. Nobody now re. To him know if me bust back, everything I go rise. Me I go know what is what. The man no want me. So when me see that, me just walk away. Cause one day me and the man a walk in, you know. And the man a go through the door, him know me there behind him. And the man shut the door behind him, and him know say me animal come from up office upstairs and I go in. So when him do that, me say, what? Mama granny used to tell me say me not to take insult for invitation. So me no bother open it and come in there. Me just turn back, and from that day, me never go back.
Okay, so back to the nitty-gritty part of the thing, you know.
Yeah, so me just advise some tune for jammings. So, my voice, the first tune my voice see him.
Can't write computer.
Legal. Legal. And then me do Pack Up and Gone. And then me do then him just give me rhythm, you know. Then him give me them computer rhythm and them thing, yeah. So when him give me, you know, chew me a whole heap of head, music in my head, because I don't write lyrics, you know, only have recent now, since I learned to read and write, me will write down. And even when I write down a song, it did a feel rare. Me have to get a work like you say you want some, and then me look on that, and then me say, write it. And you know what I mean? So me still work with my head. Everything me just farm in my head. So when him give me rhythm, me just, so me never have no nitty-gritty like ding. You know what I mean? So when me do England now, me think of Trouble Again at the big tune. So when me a rehearse, Mafia and Flux to them and we have do the place, we have a big show at Brixton, where the place name. And me say me a close with Trouble Again. And them I say, no, close with legal. And me I say, no man, Trouble. So me still use my way.
Right.
You see when me draw legal, the show over. About 5 row, what a girl just... The people get mad, because I never know say it was the riot song when the riot are going.
Oh.
All of the black people and all of the immigrant people. So the show done after legal, I can't sing nothing more. So I say, blow out. So them time I never know it was a tune I go British chart.
Okay.
But jammings as vice me and never tell me where I go on. Me never know else more than prepare and know say what. You know them way there. Yeah. So after when I come back from England now, I kinda, you know what I go on, and it put a damp to you, so you them want to sing for Harry.
Right.
You know them way there because you over what me I say. When you check the Black Echo, if you check the chart from my time, 85, 86, all of the reggae chart, them, Pure King Kong, me have like 25 tunes from start to top, from number one right through,
You did Can't Write Computer and Nitty-Gritty thing at Imiata.
Yeah, because the man have a bad vibes with me, because even when I come to England, because it was a big tune, Mr. Palmer, the whole lot. So when I come to England, the man show me some ding thing, and I just ignore him because my thing not there where him thing there. So I ignore him, because I go them dance same way. Even out here, them keep some dance at Walter and Tennessee and King Kong. And when I turn up at the dance, Tennessee have a massive from Payne Avenue. But them don't know say it's King Kong from Payne Avenue because my mother, when we moved from Rose Lane, she come live at Payne Avenue. So I used to visit my mother and have enough of my friend them at Payne Avenue. I used to fake it because them time they are gun days, So you have to go on like you have guns. So I used to have one bicycle bar when I throw a towel over it and tell everybody a M3. So when we are come through, even Tika Shine, them and they are big man we run the place. So one night we are coming and nothing are going, so one little shop there, so we just say, just ease the window and take out 2 milk and oats and a bread, a bully beef, because we have to have nightcap, So me have the M3 with the towel over it. So the next, yeah. So About 3 days after now, we are boom back through Mango Stone, you know. Tika Shine call me in, yo, come in. What kind of thing that? I said, well, me say you come take the liquor shop the other night with that M3. I said, we are talking about Tika Shine. Man, I come off of the road and nothing no go on. And we just pass through and we just say, make we take a bowl of beef and a bread and milk. You know, see me put back the window nice because we are come back and pay the people them, you know, and we did pay, you know, but our place. And we not have to violate, we just eat because, you know, we are pay. Yeah, man. So, you know, all him have it says I M3, we just not say nothing, same way, the whole of Painland. So, yeah, we have M3, you know. So when Tennessee Massive come through now, you see the bad boy around the crew and tall black brother. When him come and see me and the King Kong, him just turn like a bow turn, everybody turn.
But there was a bad vibes with the antennas at that time too?
Well, you don't know the thing, go. Them say me I'm rival and thing, and then here was Striker Lee, you know. Striker Lee is a great man, you know. God bless him soul, you know. Because them man, they are really pioneer, you know. Because them man, they vice every artist. This are the man where, when you come to studio, anything you sing him, now rub it off, you know. Oh, okay. Where you have for that rhythm, yeah? The iron gate is louder. It's louder than the rock. In no business, in just vice. Once you sing pan key, vice. And him love first take. If you make mistake, him rather fix it. If it can't fix, put it out same way. Him say the first cut always the deepest. So, them man there, now, you hear Tennessee say, drunk or same, now work on Sunday, now work. King Kong, you know your way, man? Man said, drunk or same, you think I chew that? I said, no, man, drunk or for work every day. He said, they know the tune that me every rhythm. So me just drunk or must have to work on Sunday. If him not work, him a go dead for hungry. So I saw Striker stay. So him bring amusement to the business and ding ding. So through them thing they know, you know it go. So yeah, so.
But your antenna became
after.
virgins.
Yeah, after in a New York now because me a lick, him a lick, and the two of we are hide. So me don't know him a lick, him don't know me a lick. Cause, you know, we are friends and we mingle a show and we ding ding. So one day, you know, it happened that me and him go check the Virgin where we get stuff from. So the man, the day, you know, all that tune them wouldn't like, you know, because the Virgin do a combination with me and Tennessee. Yes, youth. That day, there, you know.
In your head, like.
Me say it's a combination because the man have a sound. Him have a sab about the youth name. Him come from out of East. He dead now. Alright, I just threw everything not good for eat, good for
talk. Yeah, things set up, man.
Right? So that youth they know, we used to get, when they give us stuff all half ounce, 1 ounce. You know? So one day, he used to hide and give me my thing, hide and get Tennessee thing. So one day, you know, come check him, the man just goes up, boom, and just give me my one. And just goes up, boom, with the other hand and get Tennessee for him. So me and Tennessee just look for one another like, oh yeah. And so I move. So that day, me and Tennessee ride out. You know? Get more closer now, you know, and ding, ding, ding. So, real good youth, you know, real passionate like me. You know, him have a heart of gold. Because I remember one time we go to one place, a Connecticut. You know, them time they get head, $10 for your head. Some pretty girl, you know. So, as me say, what? So, me flick out long time already. That time, Tennessee come back and say, yo, what happened to you? Cool, man. Me just go up there, go look in another room there. Because me just look in the room with the girl. So me look in the other room them. About 5 little picnic with running nose, this, that. I said, Jesus Christ. And I said, no man, you know, see them people that want help, you know. So the youth really have a different art. That's we just give the girl them, you know, the money and just. So him different, even though some people may, you always what me I say, him have moral, you know. Because me wouldn't do it and they know where else in the place. But him looking at the room, because you know, this is where I go on. Maybe him look for security, for secure himself. So when him look and look, that's me I say blow. And me look, me I say about 3 picnic running nose. The other room look like, you know, a rubbish room, but a bed. That's me I say, Lord. Him say them people that want help, and me say true man. So we give them like about, you know, 20-20 or 40-40 and cut. one night again with their show, I'm lucky too. The man find a briefcase and money in the room where the hotel people game out.
Yeah.
The man come in my room and say, yo, King Kong, put on this. When I go to book one briefcase and pay US and I say, me turn fool. I say, what? I think I rob him. He say, yo, in my room. We have to check out same time the police them come in my room. I say, what? No, I don't know about that. I say, no, it's not your room. Number 5 room is, are you associated with a guy? I said, we're a band here with a lot of people and I don't know, this is my room. Who is number 5? Is it Jacob Miller or something? Who is it? So, oh no, so sorry. This is the time me have the briefcase, I ratted money, you know. Then I say, bloop, taxi, bloop, Brooklyn. Give me about 13 grand. I go the out. Me don't know where I'm gone.
Yes, eventually Tenasa lost his life in tragic circumstances. He did a song entitled He Was My Friend.
Yes. Yeah, man. Me have to do something, you know. Cause when me check back my life and me check back where me I come from, me say, you know, say me have to give tribute to Tenasa because maybe more than still singing in my style.
Probably wouldn't have said.
And still, you know, maybe cut all too short or get back on the road and say, I go he look food or anything could have happened. You see what I say? So when Missy say, yeah, step on my car and mash up the place and then the thing open up. Even though Tenasa one time, you know, boom, bam, boom. Yeah, and me feel sad about it, but, you know, I saw. But yeah, man, after knowing him and me and him par, yeah, man.
Where were you when he died?
They are England, you know, and you know, say turn over my life because...
Yeah, we are come back to right there, so just hold it there, so. We could finish up with Jammies and all of them people there.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!